guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this beautiful sunset look that you see in my eyes, and I got inspired because my boyfriend went to go take some shots of nature the other day, and it was during sunset time, and it was so incredibly beautiful that I had to take a shot of it myself. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a sunset makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in how I did this look, then let's get on to the video. And as always, starting with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion, I just put that all over my lids so my eyeshadow lasts. Then I just apply a transition shade using Morphe's M441 brush. This brush is amazing to blend out eyeshadows flawlessly. And as you see, I'm using the color Sunshine as my transition shade. I'm just blending it out on my crease. And then I use the pointed blender brush and I put the color Puffs right on my crease as well. And then I go back with the M441 to blend everything out. And don't stop blending till your eye gets like super irritated. If it's not irritated, you're not done blending, honey. I'm just kidding. Please don't irritate your eyes. Using the pointed blender brush that I used earlier, I just grabbed the color Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just put that on my crease and on my outer corner. And then I just grabbed the Morphe M441 brush and I just blend it out, honey. I just blend it out. And also make sure to brush off any excess eyeshadow. And then using Morphe's concealer brush, I just do my semi-cut crease with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And just like in my other videos, I put it on my lid, I look up, connect the dots, because I am a hooded eye honey. Then I grab the color Sunshine and I just put it on my semi-cut crease and I just pat that on my eye so then it looks vibrant and beautiful and like a sunset. Then with Morphe's pointed crease brush, I grab the color Brilliant and I just put it in the transition between the orange and the yellow. And then I grab Morphe's M441 brush and I just start blending that shit. Then I grab the pointed blender brush and I put the color Bikini right on the outer corner. And then I go back to the M441 and just blend that out. Grabbing a gold metallic eyeliner, I just line the semi-cut crease from the inner corner out to my crease. Back with the pointed crease brush, I just put yellow on my inner third on my lower lid. Then I go in with Brilliant in the middle and Bikini on the outer corner. Then I just blend all those colors together. With Essence Super Last Eyeliner, I just do my sharp ass liner just to shank the hose. You know what I'm talking about. I'm just showing you guys how I do my favorite liner. With Neutrogena's liner in the color brown, I just put that in my waterline. Then with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, I just put mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm back at it again with my favorite lashes, and then I'm just showing y'all a clip on how I put them on. Also, do not forget to put eyeliner on top of the lash band because you don't want it to look gross. Then I just applied blush on the apples of my cheeks. And of course, I cannot forget to shine for the highlighting gods. And I just put that on top of my cheeks, my nose, and on my cupid's bow. To go the extra mile, I also put it in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now I use a lip liner, and I just line my lips, and I just put this lip liner all over my lips as well to prep them for the lipstick. Then I use Kylie's Velvet Liquid Lip in Charm and KKW's Lipstick in Kim. So this is the final look. It's so colorful, so summery, so sunsetty, and that's not even a word, but who cares? If you guys decide to recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram because that would be awesome. And if you don't, then I hope you just enjoyed watching me do my makeup. Also guys, I want to thank you guys so much for bringing me to 1,000 subscribers. That is amazing. And I am just so excited to keep on growing more with you guys. And you guys make me incredibly happy. And just like in any other video, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell in order for you to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!